Welcome back to my channel Chandrani does art and I am Chandrani. In this tutorial we will learn how to make watercolor logo in Photoshop. On my previous video I have shared with you how to draw watercolor texture on paper. Open Photoshop, take your preferable document. I am just cropping the size as per my need. In our previous lesson we have learned how to make watercolor texture using different kind of colors on paper. If you didn't check that, please do have a look. After learning that part, you can step ahead with this tutorial. I have shared the link on description below. You can see some iCard over here on the screen. Now select your texture. Now select your texture with lasso tool and drag it to the new document. So now I am adding some off-white color so that extra white color or extra white part of our selected texture will be visible. Now select the extra white part with magic tool, that means magic wand tool, and delete the extra part by pressing simply delete key. You can always change the color and adjust the brightness of those texture to have different options from just a single texture. I have downloaded some simple icons to make easy logos as per my names of the logos. Now play with the font, and of course you can play with the texture whatever and however you want to look it like, or you can combine more than one texture to just have a nice one. Okay. That's all for today, guys. I hope you have learned and enjoyed this video a lot. If you do so, hit the thumbs up button, and if you are new and want to know about art, anything hand drawing to digital, just subscribe my channel. If you have anything on your mind related to art, if you have any question, you can always ask me through the comment box. If you want to know more about BTS, how do I shoot, or how do the work in progress, each and every steps, then you can follow me on Instagram, that I have given the link description below. You can check that. I will be back on my next video. Till then, bye.